This is Alexis from Little Hands and Big Signs. I wanted to show you how to sign one of my son's current favorite nursery rhymes, which is This Little Light of Mine. So, if you stick around to the end, I'll be doing a breakdown of each individual sign, but until then, let me show you how it's done and you can sing along. So, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, as well as share, and have a wonderful day. Thanks so much.